Hello friends, it's Ren in Kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of February the 20th to the 26th. This is the last week for the month of February at Walgreens. So the first thing that we're going to talk about in your digital coupons folder, if you might have found this guy, it's a booster, 5 back when you spend 20. So make sure you have it loaded and it's valid that week. Out of the Catalina machine, if this guy pops out, yes, you can stack both of them, but obviously you'd have to buy $40 of merch to get the two to dance together in concert. Some rules for you guys. Again, it's valid from the 20th to the 26th. It is of a one-time use, so even if the booster's still in your account, it's a one and done. And yes, you can stack one digital and one paper. For the balance after manufacturer coupons, use your debit card, credit card, or bills to pay down the balance. It is okay to use manufacturer register rewards, but do not use store register rewards and do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance with boosters. Valentine's Day. This is some estimated stuff here, guys, but it's supposed to hit 75% on the 22nd, which is next Tuesday. Now, alternatively, for some people, if you can get out there tomorrow, which is the 19th, I would just get a cashier to scan a product. Our shoppers who are in Connecticut, you guys have scanners in the store. If you want to scan a couple Valentine's Day items and let us know in the comments, that's great. The numbers have been all over the place because it was supposed to be these two, like on Thursday and Friday, we're supposed to hit 70 and 90, and that did not happen. So the next thing that people are saying, it's supposed to be on the 22nd, which is next Tuesday. But I would also check on Saturday because it's either Tuesdays or Saturdays when there are very large markdowns over at Walgreens. Okay, the first deal that we have is with the Tide Downy Bounce. These are the larger ones, so they're very sizable. And unfortunately, we haven't been getting digital coupons for these products since I think last October. But we're going to just work out a deal that's just kind of thinking outside of the box. And when you buy 3 of these, you're going to get back a $10 register reward. So if you might have one of these store coupons, you can only use one per transaction. But we're going to throw one of these into the transaction because we have 0 to lose and use it to get something great. Grabbing 4 of these, that's $35.97. Hold on to your wallet for that one. Subtracting the $5 store register reward. And I would also throw in $20 of Walgreens cash, pay $10.97 out of pocket, and then get back a $10 store register reward. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or store register rewards because we're not using a booster with this. This is with a register reward. I would absolutely do this deal. And here's why. Apparently at the end of February, early March, all these P&G products are going to be jumping a lot in price. I am shocked to what is going to be the price of Tide? So this is definitely, you're using a little bit, you're going to get $10 back. So you're basically losing like $10 of Walgreens cash, but you're paying less out of pocket. So I think this is a smarter deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is a whole bunch of razor products. And if you look at the bottom, it says earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. And there's going to be a $4 for the Schick or Bulldog. And then the disposable, there's going to be another $4 coupon on the same promotion. Along with that shaving cream, there's going to be a $1 coupon. So they're all part of it. Let's throw in this booster if you might have it for this deal and make something happen. Okay, so grabbing a fancier Schick razor for $8.99, a disposable razor for $5.99, and then 2 of the shave gels, either the ladies or the men's, whichever one you prefer. They're $2.99 a pop, so that's $5.98. The total here is $20.96. We have our booster loaded, along with the $2 $4 and the $1 digital, so that's $9 coming off. You're paying $11.96 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $10 of Walgreens cash. 5 for the booster and 5 for the shaving promotion of spend 20, get back 5. It makes it $1.96 for the 4 or 49 cents per product. Do not use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so this next deal is a BOGO 50% off, and it says $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. The week previous, it was buy 3, get a $5 store register reward, so who knows, maybe that's a typo, they've been messing up. But we're going to look at the Dove again. So if you still might have these digital coupons that include the 7 off of 2. I know that in one of the inserts last weekend, there was also a paper one, so either one you might have along with this dollar one. If you look at the prices of the Dove men, and I would go with the Dove men because the women's one was messing things up last week, there's $7.49. It's not going to be $7 this week because it's BOGO 50% off. So grabbing 3 of those body washes, that's $18.72. Subtracting the 7 off of 2 and the dollar, And then I would also throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay 72 cents plus tax, and then get back $5 of Walgreens cash. If you could find any Dove body wash, this might be a smart deal pour vous. This one is with a store register reward to buy 3 of these at $4 a pop. We're going to have a 5 off of 3 digital, and then you get back a $5 store register reward. So picking up 3 of them, that's $12 on the nose. Subtracting the 5 off of 3 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying $7, getting back a $5 store register reward, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents each. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it. But do not use a store register reward because this is a store register reward promotion. And double, triple check IBOTTA on Sunday morning if there might be like $1 back for, say, Oral-B toothbrushes. Because that would be great. It would make this a freebie. Okay, so we're just going to go through some products. I'm not going to type it all out, though. I'm just going to give you the price. So $3.99 for this all. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, so it'll drop it down to $2.49. That is a 51-cent price jump from the usual price of $1.99 for this product, just to note that. The Arm & Hammer is to buy 1 and then to get 2 for free, but the first one is priced at $7.49. So if you take $7.49 and divide that by 3, it's basically $2.49. So, you know, if you love Arm & Hammer, that's definitely a stock-up price. I would use a store register reward or some Walgreens cash. The Palmolive at $2.49. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, so it'll drop it down to $1.99. Again, if you're working with like a $25 basket, this is really a meat and potatoes thing to throw in. And it's a 20-ouncer, so that is a pretty large bottle of dish soap. Now, this one's kind of interesting. 4 for $5.50, and there's a $1 off 4 digital coupon, so it'll drop it down to $4.50 for the 4 or $1.12 each. I know a lot of you swear by Puff, so this might be a stock-up price, but typically it's $1 each with the digital coupon, so a little bit price jump there as well, just to note that. The Quilted Northern is $5.29. We have a 50-cent digital coupon. There's no deal of the week for this, but it would drop this down to $4.79. If Scott is more of your speed, that's still $3.75 with the IVC coupon. Maybe that would be a cheaper product to get paper-wise. Let's talk really quickly now about some honorable mentions. Okay, so the Rimmel is 40% off the regular sticker price. There is no IVC to go with this, but sometimes you can get some cosmetics for like $3 or so. Definitely use some Walgreens cash with that. Right now, there is a thing that if you buy $20 of Rimmel cosmetics, you get $5 back in Walgreens cash. It's going to be curious on Sunday morning if that promotion is still taking place. Perhaps that might be a deal to do online. A little soda deal is buy 2, get 1 for free. They don't say the price point here, but I'm noticing between some of the grocery stores, Walgreens is the cheapest place to buy all like soft drinks. So that is quite the price point. Talking more about food, 4 for $5. These are regular price points for food. 2 for $5 for the peanut butter. The Lindsay Olives is buy 1, get 1 free. My goodness gracious, has everything just jumped in price? And sorry I keep repeating myself, but if not enjoying this at all. I'm sure most of you are not enjoying these price increases. We have 99 cents for the Reese's M&Ms. It would be nice to have we had a digital coupon like a BOGO free for that. We'll have to see on Sunday morning. And then 2 for $7 for those Easter candies. They usually have promotions of buy 1, get 1 50% off, so we'll have to wait for one of those to fill up your Easter baskets. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.